Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect these Sony earphones with your Android smartphone. Okay, so first of all, just be sure that your device is turned off, and to do this you have to click and hold this power button until this indicator simply turns off. Just like that. Right now we can release that button and you will also hear the notification in your earbuds that the device is turned off. Next, we have to click and hold this power button until we'll get this icon blinking quickly. So keep holding. And there it is. Right now we can release. You will also hear notification in your earphones. So right now they are in the pairing mode. They are visible to other devices. So another step is very simple. Just open Bluetooth settings on your phone. You can do this by using this quick notification panel or go into the settings, select to pair new device, and find on your list Sony WI-XB400. Click on it once, accept pairing request, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.